Hey, Chloe here from the Yoga Revolution, and I'm just about to whip up some mat cleaner, so I thought I'd show you how I do it. You'll need a bottle. I use a glass bottle, less plastic and all that, and because it's tinted, it helps, I guess, not deteriorate the oils, which is always good. Essential oils. So I'm using 3. I go a bit mental and my blends can be a bit wild. So today I'm using tea tree, citronella and lavender, and I'm also using witch hazel too, which is a great natural cleaner. Water. Use some water. That's it. Just take the lid off your bottle, and let's start with the witch hazel. So I'm going to use probably about 1/4 of this bottle to fit in here. Next, essential oils. So I'm going to start with tea tree. I'm probably going to put about 4 drops of each in. You don't have to be super precise, and you don't need much because they're pretty potent things. All right, next thing, water. I'm going to fill this all the way. And there you have it. Mat cleaner. Lid on. Shake it, spray it, wipe it, and your mat will be squeaky clean, and it'll smell pretty good too. Jesus, strong.